Morning, it's Wednesday. I want to say the 12th. I feel like it's the 12th of July. The girls are at school. It's 11:20. Me and Foxy have just been home. I've been sorting and tidying and just done the dining room. I don't know if anyone knows, but I had a big American fridge in here. It's Ben's, and I just wasn't using it. I had like a couple of bits in the freezer, so I've slowly been like eating everything out the freezer with the kids, and I turned it off today. I'm so happy because I think it costs a fucking fortune to run because I've got my little fridge freezer. So I'm now just waiting for it to, I don't know really, just my mum said leave the doors open for a bit, so I'm gonna leave the doors open, then I'm gonna give it a clean. I got all the ice out, that's all in the sink. All that was in it in the fridge bit was just like some beer and stuff, so I've just put it on the side. So now I am doing washing. Foxy's playing in the living room, and yeah, I'm just sorting little bits out. So I'm now doing the pantry because it's a bit of a mess, so I'm trying to have a little sort out on that. I'm just going to wedge you there for a second. Yesterday my mum had her surgery. I wanted to go, but then I didn't have anyone to watch the kids, and then mum rung me at like, I don't know, just after 1ish, and she sounded really scared, and she's never been in a hospital before. And so I went and got the kids out of school, and I drove to Kings Lynn, which could ignore my hair, and called Ben's mum on the way, and she said yeah that's fine, bring the kids round. So I took the kids to hers and then drove back to the hospital, and I waited in her room for her for when she got out of surgery, and she was really happy to see me because she was really scared, but she was a bit loopy and she kept holding my hand and was like boop boop in my nose, and she was saying how hungry she was because she hadn't been able to eat, because obviously you're not allowed to eat before surgery, and this was at about 5:30, and they brought her dinner in at just before 5:45, and we're like, we don't know if you're allowed to eat it yet, and she was like, I can smell it. And then they came in and said you can eat it, so she inhaled her dinner. She was really happy. She had like jelly and ice cream and a jacket potato with cheese, and she was really happy with that. And then I left her at 6:30, went to get the kids, got back here at 8, got them all straight into bed because Fox is normally in bed by 6:30 at the latest, and he did really well to stay awake, and he wasn't grumpy or anything, and I just literally put them all in their beds and just left them, and they all fell asleep really well. And then everyone got up fine this morning, took them all to school, apart from Sod, she's in the other room. So yeah, the surgery went really well. They fixed it with a plate and a bolt, I think, or a pin. Can't remember what she said. She should be home this afternoon. One of her friends is picking her up. And yeah, I'm just trying to get on and do little bits of cleaning and sort things out so that when the move happens, it goes as smoothly as possible, because I've never moved house by myself. Well, have I moved house by myself? I don't think so. I've gone from like our house to my mum's house, like when I moved out when I was 18, and then I moved back in again a little while later, and then moved out again, and then moved back in again when I was 25. But I've never moved from my house to my house by myself. I'm definitely going to pay for movers, just because obviously if you've been watching this channel for a long time, you know we've moved a lot, and the last time we moved we paid for movers, and it was worth every penny. Like being able to just say, I want the fridge there, I want that bed there, I want that there, and they did it all. And I don't know, it's just a massive weight off your mind, and it just takes the stress out of the day. And I think especially because I'm doing it by myself, obviously because I'm going to be moving, they think within the next 8 to 12 weeks is when the house will complete, and chances are my mum is going to be in a cast for between 6 and 12 weeks, so she's probably not going to be able to help. And obviously she can't lift stuff anyway because she's older, and I don't want her to hurt her back lifting stuff. So yeah, gonna hire movers, and yeah, I just want to try and get everything as ready as possible. And I know it's early, but I mean, because it's a cash buyer, it could happen quicker. My solicitor said it can happen in like 4 weeks. It's rare, but it can, so I kind of just want to be on top of it as much as possible, because being able to pack with kids is tricky, and I've only got another week and a half till the school holidays, and then they're just going to be here all the time with me, barring one day and one night a week when they're with Ben. So I'm slightly panicking, but I feel like it's going to be fine. I know it's going to be fine. Filmed a Degusta box this morning, and possibly got a collab coming up with HelloFresh, which is exciting. And the snack box man, Freddie at Back Snack, has said that he would send us another box, because I think quite a lot of you signed up, so thank you for that. That's amazing. And yeah, hopefully as soon as I get some money, I am going to buy some more boxes to unbox, because I really miss doing them. And I don't get PR with any of the beauty boxes anymore. I stopped all of it. So yeah, I'm going to buy some beauty boxes. Let me know what ones you want to see. I'm obviously going to buy a box of Goth again. That's not a beauty box, but she's my friend and I want to support her, and she sent me stuff in the past, so I really want to get another one of those. But yeah, I'm going to sort the pantry out. I feel like I've got like too many hot sauces. How many is too many? Because I can see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mama. Yeah? 12. Wow, come here.
I got.
Come here. Come here.
5.
Oh. Who has had no accidents this week?
The little bit hair.
That's just juice, isn't it?
Oh, that's wee.
Oh, you've got wee wee on your butt, have you?
Doesn't matter.
No. And what are you going to get when you've had a whole week of no accidents at nursery? What are you going to get to go to?
The toy shop.
Yeah, and pick a toy for being such a big boy. Yeah? Are you doing a squeeze?
Yeah.
Go on then, big squeeze. Oh my God. Right, I'm going to get on. I'm going to come and see what this boy's done. He's playing with his great uncle Colin made him. Let's show everybody what you got. His great uncle Colin made him a toy, and it's like a wooden block with holes in, and then he's there's a spanner attached, and then he's got screws and bolts that he screws in and out of it. So he loves that. So that is what he's been doing. He's got them all out, and he's now going to screw them all back in again. So non-toy toys for the win. Hi, where are we going?
River.
Mika, get on the pavement. Thank you very much, you little butt face. We're going to the river and we've got buckets and we're going to catch some fish.
Oh, yeah, just sprang, I see.
Ari, keep your shoes on. Fox has fell over. Watch out for poo and don't go in without me. I can see fishies jumping. Fox, do not run into the river. I'm probably going to lose a slider. Is it cold?
Yeah.
Is it?
Oh, there's loads of fishes. Yeah, look how big.
Oh, there's loads of fish.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness. Oh, they're even like right up here. I've never seen this many fish in a river. Oh my goodness.
Look how much fishes.
There's so many.
Mama.
Wow.
Mama.
Lift your feet up when you're walking. There's Ari, and she's there. Foxy, don't climb up the bank, baby. Just stay in. His bum is already soaked. Fox, Mika, he's following you. Fox, come here. Look, there's lots of fishies near Mama. Lots of fishies. It's so nice. Wait a sec. It's so nice. There's lots of fishies here. Well, they're... Yeah, there's lots of...
Just stay still and you can just catch them.
Yeah. You gonna catch a fish?
Too cold for that plate. Catch the bubbles.
You catch the bubbles then.
My net back and then...
Let's see how many fishies we've caught in the bucket, Fox, or how many Mummy's caught. So I think Ari's got one, hasn't she?
No, I've got like 4 or 5.
But yours are tiny, aren't they?
Yeah.
How many have you got?
Like 2.
And Mummy has caught a lot of big ones. How many you got?
None.
Come on.
None. I got none.
It's okay, come out.
I've got 4 or 5.
Oh my God, there's millions of them.
They go crazy.
Yeah. We've got loads.
There's tiny
So
ones
many.
of mine, I think.
Butt dunk.
Really done for me. Cannot say.
Yeah, I'm not seeing you. Don't look at Fox because he's doing a wee wee.
Okay, now over here, Aria, okay?
It's not cold, you wieners.
Huh?
It's not cold.
On your boobies it is, mister.
Mister? Yeah, you do a wee wee there.
I can't.
No, you didn't.
I can't.
You got any big ones, Mika? Oh fuck, nearly fell over.
Don't push me over.
Stop it!
Don't push me over. I'm flossing.
You're flossing. Need to cover Fox.
I'm
Oh, she's swimming. I knew you'd swim. You want to swim?
I don't know how to.
You just... Oh, you're not going to drown. It's tiny. Mummy's here.
Aria.
Go on then. We're definitely going to need washes.
Sorry. Oh my god. You can.